Bacteriostatic Mats, Tack Mat by EEE. The mat's surface has an adhesive layer which contains an antimicrobial substance. Tack Mats catches dirt and dust from shoes or equipment wheels, reducing contamination before entering the clean room or medical areas such as surgical rooms, special manufacturing spaces, food-producing areas, central sterile surface departments, emergency rooms, isolation rooms, etc. Tack mats are easy to use. By removing the dirty sheet, you will find immediately a new one. Each layer has a flap printed with the number of the sheet, which facilitate taking it off and help us to know how many sheets we still have available. Instructions for use. Make sure that the surface where the mat will be placed is flat, clean, and dry. Both sides of the mat are covered by a protective film. Remove the bottom protector cover by grabbing the corner firmly and pulling the film with a parallel movement to the mat. Position the mat in the desired area with the sticky side down. Press down one corner and then place the rest of the mat by applying firm pressure against the floor with a cloth to eliminate air bubbles between the mat and the floor. After the mat has been correctly installed, walk over the entire area to make sure it is firmly attached to the floor, paying particular attention to the edges. Remove the top side protective film marked this side up, grabbing the corner and pulling it away with a parallel movement to the floor. The sticky surface is now exposed and ready to use. As soon as each top layer of your mat is contaminated, pull it away, repeating the last step. A new adhesive surface will be available.